Hello everyone, welcome back to Football View. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today is Kotoko versus Great Olympics. A very interesting game upcoming, and I think it's the perfect opportunity for Kotoko to close the gap on Aduana Stars. Kotoko are 42 points, which means a win against Great Olympics today will put them 45 and 5 points away from league leaders Aduana Stars. Kotoko have to catch Aduana Stars if they want to win the league. Once you get up with them, I think the pressure will start making them fumble, and eventually Kotoko will pass them. But it will be very difficult because Kotoko will have to win or get positive results from away fixtures starting from today. So today they travel to Sugar Kope to face Great Olympics. I think it's going to be a very difficult game considering the fact that Great Olympics are fighting for relegation. So it won't be an easy game to play at the AstroTurf in Sugar Kope. So before we start, I want to give you the breakdown of the squad, the 20-man squad traveling for that particular game against Great Olympics. So goalkeepers, we have Frederick Asare and Danlad Ibrahim. Danlad Ibrahim, after his horror show against Berkum Chelsea, he has been benched, and Frederick Asare put a very wonderful performance against Aduana Stars in Kotoko's game against Aduana Stars at the Bavaria Stadium. So I think Frederick Asare will remain in the post for this particular game against Great Olympics. Then defenders, we have Gustin Ejipong, Charles Owusu, John Tedeku, Mohamed Al Hassan. We also have Yusuf Mubarak, Andrew Sepeu, and Sheriff Mohammed. Midfielders, we have Richard Boidu, Ernest Osei Opoku, Shedrack Ado, Richmond Lamte, Rocky Dramena, who was very incredible against Aduana Stars in the last game against in Bavaria Stadium. Then we have Eric Zeze, who scored a beautiful, wonderful goal of the season contender against Aduana Stars. Then we have Sheriff Mohammed. Then forwards, we have Georges Mfuege, Stephen Mokwala, Dixie Afokwa, Safo Taylor, and Enoch Morrison. Those are the 20 players that have been chosen by Abdul Ghazel for this particular game against Great Olympics. Now, what are my thoughts about this game? First of all, the pitch will be good, but playing on an AstroTurf is different from playing on a normal pitch. So it's going to be a little bit worrying for Kotoko, but I'm expecting Kotoko to beat Great Olympics considering the fact that they haven't been playing well in recent games. But it's also tricky because they're fighting relegation. Defeat against Kotoko might get their coach sacked, so he's going to tell them, guys, do this for me, beat Kotoko or get a draw, and it will preserve my job. So it's going to be very difficult. Kotoko have to beat the Great Olympics in this particular game. I'm telling you, they have to beat Great Olympics. You see, House of Oak lost yesterday. Mediama won. If Kotoko lose this game, if they lose this game against Great Olympics, I think they should forget about the league title. They should just forget about retaining the league title, because this game they have to win or draw. If they lose, it's over. So I think it's a very good opportunity for Asante Kotoko to beat Great Olympics and get to 45 points and 5 points away from league leaders Aduana Stars, who I think will start having problems away from home. Once they travel out to play away from home, they'll start dropping points, and Kotoko should start making use or make good use of home fixtures and get good results in away fixtures to be able to retain the Ghana Premier League title. So that is basically all I have to say today. I'm expecting the game to be a cracker, to be played today. I think 3 p.m. Ghanaian time. Follow our Twitter account, Daily Porcupine. They'll be giving you live updates on the game. I'll put the handle here on the channel. So subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell, and tell me what you think. Do you think Kotoko can beat Great Olympics? If you think they can beat Great Olympics, put your scoreline prediction in the comment section and tell me the scoreline you expect in today's game against Great Olympics. So that's all for today. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.